Hey guys, I made a game with Python. It's a Godot game. I made it with Python. I thought it would be a fun exercise. Let me open the file below in Sublime Text. The game is Just Jump Up Portal Game. I named it Portal Game. As you can see below, I've written a lot of codes. And if you guys are interested in the game, just comment down below and I'll make a tutorial on how to make the game. So running the code below, let me run it, and there you can see the window is small. I think I should have resized it, but it has the jump mechanism, the squash mechanism, and jump up, double jump, XX. So you can also collect coins, as you can see. And we have some enemies, so let me see how my baby. Oh my god! Okay, let me resize the window. You understand? No. So let me go up. I also imported a lot of sub modules, the one I created in different files. It wasn't easy. I'll change this to 600 by 600. 600. I'll run the code below again, and you see it's much wider and better. I implemented a, how will I say, a wider camera view. Maybe if you want to see a wide range like that, as you can see. So that's the double jump mechanism I put, and it's crash you. Oh my god, I was crushed. So don't forget, if you guys are interested in the game, comment down below. I'll make a tutorial on it, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for